Want to find out the winner of the Sous-Vide Cooker from last week's Review to You video? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. 3 times a week, we review all these cool products and give them away for free. To all of our subscribers that get involved. There's Men's Mondays, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for the kids and the whole family. Every product we review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments section of that video the code word we mentioned throughout the video. But for now, let's announce a winner. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we reviewed the Sous-Vide Cooker and gave it a solid 5 out of 5 stars. So which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Sous-Vide Cooker is Artisan Blade. Congratulations, Artisan Blade. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want the chance to be a winner like Artisan Blade, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on your post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review giveaways. We do them 3 times every week. Make sure you click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and hit that link up on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.